Good afternoon. It's Marcus Francis back with the weather forecast. So before we look at the weather forecast, we do have some severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for East Tennessee we need to cover. So Blunt, Knox, and Loudoun County are under a severe thunderstorm warning until 5 p.m. And we would expect this severe thunderstorm is located 11 miles southeast of Lenora City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. 60-mile winds and gusts. Wind gusts are expected. Weather indicated the impact would be expect damage to wood, siding, and trees. Locations in the vicinity are Knoxville, Melville, Alcoa, Farragut, Louisville, Wattswood, Ingleton Village, Von North, Greensback, and Friendsville. This includes the highways Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 377 and 388. Interstate I-75 in Tennessee between mile markers 108 and 111. So as I look at your weather forecast specifically for Madisonville, Tennessee, Knoxville, Tennessee, it is currently cloudy and overcast with thunderstorms occurring. Current temperature is 67 degrees. The wind is out of the west at 8 miles per hour. The dew point is 63 degrees. And it feels like 67 degrees, similar to the actual air temperature. The sun rose this morning at 7:09 a.m. and the sun will set at 8:07 p.m. Then it's going throughout the night. It's expected to be a steady rain this evening. Showers continuing overnight with a low of 148. Winds will be out of the west at 15 to 25 miles per hour. That's on to a 80% chance of precipitation. And higher wind gusts are possible. We're on to a 77% chance of rainfall coverage. Winds will be out of the west at 19 miles per hour. And the moon phase is a waning crescent. We're now take a look at your satellite and radar composite. It is currently cloudy and overcast. We're looking at widespread rain showers into portions of the Southern Valley, Central Valley, northern East Tennessee, and portions of moving to Knoxville, south of Oak Ridge, Harriman, Athens, Decatur, and the portions of south of Sevierville into Newport, Morristown, Jefferson City, Tusculum, Johnson City, and Kingsport at this time as they are experiencing light to moderate and heavy rainfall at this time. And also Blunt, Loudoun, and Knox County under thunderstorm warning until 5 p.m. So if you're outside in either of those three counties, I advise you to move in because when thunder wars go indoors, and if you can hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. As I look at your forecast on tomorrow, 8-day forecast is to be scattered rain showers, holding to 40% chance of precipitation. Otherwise, sunny, partly cloudy. High 62, low 44. Then for your Saturday, it's expected to be sunny and clear with abundant sunshine. High 72, low 51. Then for your Sunday, it's expected to be at PM, 10% chance of an isolated rain shower. Otherwise, sunny with abundant sunshine with a few clouds. High 78, low 58. And for your Monday, it's expected to be sunny and clear with a few clouds, only 10% chance of precipitation. High 80, low 60. Then your Tuesday is expected to be sunny and clear with a few clouds, hold on to 10% chance of precipitation. High 82, low 62. Then for your next Wednesday, it's on next weather maker to move in, as it will spark off a 40% chance of light rain showers, as it will be overcast and cloudy high 80, low 61. Then for your those expected to be a 20% chance of an isolated rain shower, otherwise sunny partly cloudy, with a mixture of sun and clouds, high 83, low 58. Then for your Friday, it's expected to be a next cold front move in, but we'll still be on the warming trend as held on to a 40% chance of precipitation, as it'll be cloudy and overcast, with a high 182 degrees. And when this rain falls, all said and done, we can see anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of rain possible. And that did it for this weather forecasting featuring me, Marcus Francis. Please like the video if you enjoy it. Leave a comment down below. God bless you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.